and I went off to boarding school, which was in West Bengal. Okay, I'm just giving you some relevant information. So there, I did not have access to learning Assamese, but I had to take a second language, Indian language. So I opted for Hindi. I found it really tough because I just didn't know the difference between ta and ta, ta and ta, da and da. Like you people are also experiencing the same problems, I guess. And I struggled with it, and I had to change my language to Bengali in class 9, which was very difficult. But thank God, my mom, she taught me how to read the alphabet, the Assamese alphabet, and so I could make that switch over and I passed school. It was only in college when I went to speech and hearing that I realized that there are easy tools to teach your children how to produce the sound correctly. Okay, we are talking about phonetics, but I won't go into the details. What you need to be is a good listener first. Okay, we have to be a good listener, a good observer, and then we have to be good speakers. So there are many languages which are here in the world, and they have a script, but there are a lot of languages which don't have a script. So we are only dependent on what we hear. So it's extremely important to kind of train your child to perceive the sounds that you make. And what are the differences, the minimal pair of differences, like between paw and paw. Till was telling me that you people are having a little problem with paw and paw, and I'll demonstrate that to you. But first and foremost, I mean, let's just explore where do our sounds come from. All of you are welcome to give me the answers, okay? Like, where do a voice come out from? Where does a voice come out from? Can you tell me, any of you?
Vocal cords?
Yes, vocal cords. And then what happens? It comes out from the vocal cords, and then where does it go?
It travels out, and the vibrations travel out through your mouth.
Yes.
And then it travels through your air in the air.
Very good, very good. That's a good answer. But what are just explore. What are the organs that we need when we speak?
Throat.
You need your
lips.
throat. Yeah. Lips. Yes.
Tongue.
Your tongue. Very good. There you are. Then. Okay, I'll make it easy, but that's really good. Vocal cord, lips, tongue. So these inside here we have our oral organs over here, and we need to explore. Now, I think you all have already learned how to say O, R, E, U. Okay? I just want to... Hey, see this? Okay? And what is this? What is this?
What is that?
Oh, yes. This?
Uh-huh.
This?
Sorry, and Dirgani.
Very good. Then this?
Dirgo.
And this? Excellent. Now, can we say all this together in one breath? Okay, let's start. Okay? Let's not use Horsori and Dirgoy, okay? We just use one E and one U, okay? Start? Right. Okay, start. Okay, can you say it fast? Can you say it fast? Don't stop. Come on. No, good. Yeah. Don't stop. Don't stop. I want it in one vocal.
A-I-O-O.
Okay. Okay, so what happens? So the vocal tract is not a